Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, The Nature and the Wild. So today I decided again to go out. The weather was not too good, but in the evening I found it like quite a good light. So I thought, okay, let's go out with my Canon R7 and RF 500 and try it in the little bit low light situations, because my RF 500 is 7.1 aperture. So I thought let's challenge it a little bit, and it will be a nice video for you guys to understand what extent that lens can perform. So guys, stay tuned with me, and I will do a nice tour of this beautiful place. A lot of different birds. Let's see what we can find out. I saw the bird. Forget the name. I will let you know what is the name. It's just sitting there and little bit inside in the porch behind the tree leaves. So I'm just waiting if it comes out. Maybe I can have a shot. It was a long-tailed teal, and normally they're always in a flock of 4, 5, 8. I saw 4 of them on the tree, and they were just waiting there. I got a nice shot. So let's move. I'm sure it's a blue throat. I've been waiting a little bit. See if it comes out. So guys, I just saw a blue throat. It's still sitting there, but just behind some bushes, and there is a sage warbler, or in Dutch reedzanger, you know. And I also saw a reed warbler, so reed bunting actually. So I will wait a little bit here patiently and see if those birds comes out, and I can get some picture. When we come back, we'll wait more for the birds. I know now there is a nest. These birds mostly build up their nest inside the reed and on the floor, on the ground, and that will keep them safe from other stuff. Of course, we don't have much reptile in Netherlands, so that's a very plus point for these birds. Reed bunting, and again it was here a little bit. Waiting for the birds, and it's just so fast, so sneaky, is coming and going out, coming and going out, and always just hiding themselves inside the reeds. It's next to impossible to get a nice clear picture. So I will just take a walk. The light is going down Now I'm almost hitting my ISO to 2000, so I don't want to hit a lot and then get my bad pictures. So I will just now take a quick walk and head back to my home. You can see there are some nice picture of a European goldfinch, really nice. Lucky enough, it was just sitting in front of me on that little tree, and yeah.
It's the breeding time. Not today, but then it's...
Hey guys, thanks a lot for staying with me. I hope you like my today's episode, and this little adventure. It was quite short, but I'm very happy whatever I got today during this little time, and I will put everything in this video. Please let me know your thoughts. Please put your questions in the comment box. I will be very happy to give them an answer. And thanks a lot for supporting me so far and staying with me. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, and I see you in the next episode. Thank you.